Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Kapiva Aloe Vera juice, available on the Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon and on the many applications. By the way, I had bought this from the Nykaa and sometimes from the Flipkart too. Good quality with a little bit weird smell. I had already exhausted 3-4 bottles of it. It is quite affordable, but I didn't like that weird smell. It's fine, good one, natural. My hair fall stops whenever I consume this aloe vera juice. It is useful for my excessive hair fall. I consume it like I take 30 ml of quantity in a 250 ml of water, lukewarm water. First, I dilute this and then drink by empty stomach. Then, after 1 hour, I take my breakfast. Good quality. I like the product. That's my review. If you have also tried this aloe vera juice, then you can share your review in the comment section below. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Which aloe vera juice do you like the most? I mean, which brand? That also you can share with short review. Thanks for watching.